Credit cards versus debit cards. They might look the same. But when it comes to your money, they're very different animals. One builds credit, earns rewards, and can trap you in debt. The other keeps you safe from overspending, but lacks perks and protection. So which one should you be using? Let's break it all down, simply, clearly, and with no fluff. Let's start with the basics. A debit card is linked directly to your bank checking account. When you swipe it, the money is instantly withdrawn from your balance. There's no borrowing, no interest, and no future payments. What you spend is what you have. It's like digital cash, fast, simple, and easy to track. Debit cards are perfect for people who want to stay out of debt, track their money easily, avoid complex fees or interest charges. But they come with limitations too, and we'll get to those in a moment. Now let's talk credit cards. A credit card is basically a short-term loan. Every time you swipe, you're borrowing money from the bank. Then, once a month, you get a bill for everything you spent. You can either pay it off in full and pay no interest, or make a minimum payment and carry the rest into the next month. With interest. The average interest rate? Anywhere from 20% to 30% APR. That's expensive debt if you're not careful. But credit cards come with some huge advantages if used wisely. One of the biggest advantages of credit cards? They help you build your credit score. Your credit score is like your financial GPA. It tells lenders how trustworthy you are with borrowed money. And it impacts everything, from mortgage rates to car loans to renting an apartment. Here's how credit cards help. On-time payments boost your score. Low credit utilization, using under 30% of your limit, shows responsibility. Long-term usage builds your credit history. Debit cards? They don't report anything to the credit bureaus. They won't hurt your score, but they won't help it either. Now let's talk about safety. Credit cards offer stronger fraud protection than debit cards. If someone steals your credit card info and racks up charges, you're usually protected under federal law. And most credit cards have zero liability policies. You won't lose a dime, and the charges are reversed fast. With debit cards, it's riskier. If someone gets your number, they can drain your actual money. Yes, your bank might refund it, but it could take days or weeks, and during that time, your money is frozen. For online purchases and travel, credit cards offer much more peace of mind. Here's where credit cards really shine. Rewards. When you use a debit card, you get, well, nothing. But with a credit card, you can earn cashback on every purchase. Travel points you can redeem for flights or hotels. Sign-up bonuses worth hundreds of dollars. Some cards offer 2 to 5% cashback on groceries, gas, or dining. Others give you free hotel stays, lounge access, or airline miles. It's like getting paid to spend, if you pay your balance in full. Debit cards? They rarely offer any meaningful rewards. But with rewards come risks. If you don't pay your credit card balance in full, you'll owe interest, and it adds up fast. Let's say you carry a $2,000 balance at 25% APR. That's about $500 in interest per year, just for borrowing. Credit cards can also come with late payment fees, annual fees, penalty APRs that jump up if you miss payments. Debit cards, on the other hand, don't charge interest, but they can hit you with overdraft fees. If you spend more than your balance, ATM fees for using out-of-network machines. So, neither card is 100% free. It's all about how you use them. Another hidden perk of credit cards? Purchase protection. If you buy something and it arrives damaged, defective, or never shows up, many credit cards will refund you. Some even extend warranties on electronics or appliances. Debit cards rarely offer these kinds of protections. If something goes wrong, you're often on your own. Travel often? Credit cards are built for travelers. Top travel cards offer free checked bags, airport lounge access, rental car insurance, no foreign transaction fees, trip cancellation insurance. Debit cards, they work at ATMs, and that's about it. They're not ideal for international trips or expensive bookings. Here's the trap. Credit cards can encourage overspending. When you're not seeing the money leave your bank account, it's easy to swipe without thinking. Buy now, worry later. That's why millions of Americans are in credit card debt, totaling over $1 trillion. Debit cards, meanwhile, force discipline. You can only spend what you have, so they're ideal for strict budgeting.